Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to install apps on iPhone 14, 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max or any model of your iPhone. So let's do this. First, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Just scroll the control panel down and here you can see I have connected to a Wi-Fi network, and if your network is not stable, you just have to put your phone on airplane mode and then just disable it. It will make a quick refresh in your internet settings, and after doing this you just have to look for App Store in your phone. Here's the App Store, just open it, and here you just have to make sure that you have an account. Just tap my profile, and here you can see I have logged in any account. If you have an account, you just have to log it here, and if you won't have any accounts, so you just have to sign up for free. And after doing this, you have to look for the apps, and after searching for apps, you just have to install it. As I'm going to look for this app, just search for it, and then you just have to tap on get. And after doing this, you can see I have successfully installed this app on my phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.